uthi ufuna labangabuya basebende ubonalise ukuthi ngalama qualifications le ndawo athola avele atanike emathuba langiwo esigabeni sekutheni leyo msebenzi le itawuvulwa lapha kithi Swatini noma nalekhona imisebenzi ikhone ukuthi nayibuka ukuthi ifuna labatawu khona bangene basebende ikhanze ukuthi le training leni hambe kiyo ivele inema qualifications laphelele esigabeni sekutheni nikhone kusebenta noma ngangimuphi umsebenzi ebekunene.
I would like to commend the University of Eswatini in actively responding through curriculum redesign and also producing employable graduates from these institutions. I thank the university for bridging the gap between theory and practice so that those students that are produced by our university stand relevant, able and capable to contribute in the day-to-day needs of the industry outside of the University of Eswatini. I'm glad that today we will be seeing relevant students, graduates, that will be going out into the industry as relevant as needed by the world.
Bekunene bangibikele nabo be university kuthi bathatha study lesikhulu uanalyze ngaphandle kuthi baze babe in line nema standards la khona la eveni yini ma subjects labafuneka bawa introduce latawubonakala niwe ukuthi atawusita live njengoba nelive le advance ku technology etintweni letinyendi bekunene siqhumana nemhlaba nako konke lokho kungenisa tilimi kungabi singisi sodwa kepha kungene naletinye nesimandarin sesiyeva ukuthi out sesikhuluma khona lapha kwaluseni nemisebenzi leminyendi lebonalisayo ukuthi ifake ekhathi kufundiswa ngema science and technology njengoba kulamalanga sakha inqumbi yema science and technology event so kumqoka ke esigabeni sekutheni nasaka operator akhanze ukuthi labale bavele labatawu ba employer bakhanze ukuthi sebanalo ema qualifications lamanyendi ngako ke kutinika lelo thuba lelo kuyathokozisa kakhulu ukuthi naningena kumarket seyindaba bedebulkhuni esigabeni sekutheni imisebenzi isheshe itholakale ebekunene.
I have been informed by the leadership of the university of the various programs that have been added into the university curriculum to enable the graduates of this institution to be more relevant to the global world. The research that has been made has resulted in the introduction of various science and technological subjects, and also other languages such as Mandarin have been included in the curriculum here at the university. I am quite impressed that with the advent of the science and technology parks that have been constructed in the kingdom, graduates of this university will be able to play a meaningful role in contributing to that agenda and purpose of our science and technological parks.
Bekunene nelive lakha imisebenzi lemiyendi lemikulu kwakhiwa strategic oil reserve kunemisebenzi ku hospitality industry kuma industries lamanyendi na kwendiwa yonke ke lemsebenzi imqoka ukuthi ikhanze ukuthi nakwakhiwa lemsebenzi ngisho nalete temfundo nato dikhone kumatcha lemsebenzi esigabeni sokutheni lemsebenzi ngoba nasiyakhako ifanele ibe profitable yakhe ama profits ifuna ka yakhe ama profits nata wakhe ama profits ke ufuna labantu labatawu manager bawuphathe lemsebenzi babe ne understanding lengcono kakhulu lesikholwa ukuthi le curriculum le ngenisiwe la itawusita kakhulu kulama industries lamasha langenako nalamasha lamanye lase pipeline lasetawungena esigabeni sekutheni basikhanze sesivele sesilungele kakhulu ebekunene.
As you may all know, that there are constructions of various industries in the kingdom, including the strategical oil reserve that is being constructed in this kingdom, amongst many others. It is encouraging to note that academia is enabled to drive solutions for our kingdom. Without academics being relevant to the needs of our industries in this kingdom, our learning will be futile indeed. I am quite impressed that as all these industries are being constructed, we will be producing relevant graduates from this university to go and play a meaningful contribution into our economy in the kingdom.
Bekunene kulesi sigaba lesike sesan presenter njoba ninge 1500 lendabeni graduate namuhla esiveni sonke kuma industries ukuthi nangama graduates are ready as a capable ukuthi noma ngangimuphi umsebenzi labanganikedwa wona batawuvela bawubambe ngemandla lamakhulu bawusebenzele ungathi kathi bafika kulomsebenzi ngako ke siyakholwa ukuthi nasikhuluma over 1500 ama graduates lokhu kakhulu kutawusita kakhulu kule industry kusite nelive ukuthi likhule kakhulu ku-economy bekunene.
I now therefore present the over 1,500 graduates that will be graduating here today. I present them to you, industries of the world. These are ready, these are capable to demonstrate and work as if they've been long in your companies. I therefore urge you to receive them, to welcome them into the various industries in the kingdom. They have been trained so very well, and I am confident of their capabilities and abilities that they bring into the economy of this kingdom.
Kubafundi njoba baphuma ngalesinye isikhathi ima expectations ayaba sesetulu ukuthi utawuthi ufika ngaphandle nje kube masinyane ukutholakala umsebenzi ukuthi kuyawuthi ngakubeketela ngalesinye isikhathi uyawukhanza ukuthi akwendeke ngesikhathi losifisile ukuthi kwendeke ngaso kepha ke lokumqoka ukuthi ubeketela ungalahli ithemba lokukhuthatha kakhulu ukuthi iuniversity sivile ukuthi ingenise nema subjects lamasha lafundzisa esigabeni sekutheni nangabe kude lokuqasha ngaphandle wena yini umsebenzi longawuqala ngekwakho kubonakala ukuthi utiqalele nje lo msebenzi usukumise ukuthi ke leyo msebenzi leyendile university lekwendile ukuthi inikete leyo knowledge sikhanza kukuhle kakhulu bekunene ukuthi ke sendawusebenzisa lelo thuba esigabeni sekutheni onke labantraine ngako ikakhulu ngoba unyendi lemisebenzi labayendile kunilayela tindlela ukuthi nangabe mathuba angaveli ngesikhathi yini nani leningayiqala lesithemba ukuthi ndawukwenda lokho ebekunene.
Graduates, I am aware of the high expectations that you hold as you graduate here today. It might be possible that some of the expectations are not fully met, but I urge you graduates to tap within yourselves on all the skills that have been imparted upon you, tap and see what entrepreneurial skills you can bring out of yourself and begin to start up that particular business or any other vocation that you may as you await those expectations. I also have full trust on all the skills that have been imparted upon you by our university, that they make you relevant to any challenge that lies ahead of you.
Bekunene sivile babika be university etigabeni ukuthi ngitiphi inhlangothi lapho khona lebe bati bukile bakhulumile ngabo artificial intelligence babuka tindzaba tabo climate change, babuka tindzaba tihlahla ukuthi ihlahla singatisebenzisa kanjani kunyendi lebakubukile bekunene lokubonalisa ukuthi leyo msebenzi leyo ningayisebenzisa kakhulu lokuhle ukuthi nasihambile siye emaveni siyangenela imihlangano lemiyendi uyukhanze kuba netimali letibekiwe leti available letibonalisa ukuthi tikhulunyiswa ngayo ukuthi ngema startup capitals labo labede timali bayawukhona ukuticala njengoba nje besihambile siyele boTICAD kubo Japan ngilamanye imisebenzi lena lekhulunyisiwe ukuthi kube nema startups capitals la yawusita kungasiyo yodwa iJapan lamanye amave bo Europe bakhile lokho esigabeni nawe emave nawe emabhange emhlaba lesike sikhulumisane nawo akuvakele i-interest lenkulu ukuthi inkulu bo World Bank bo African Development Bank bo European Investment Bank nalamanye amabhange lamanyenti emhlaba lakhombise inshisakalo ekutheni kubuka simo se-economy emhlabeni wonkana ngoba global crisis ingibonalise ukuthi ithathe isigaba lesikhulu emhlabeni labaphetheke imali bayayeva kahle ukuthi kumgqoka kakhulu kulamalanga ukuthi kube netinto letinyenti lesitawuti qala letitakwati ukuthi tilekelele kakhulu ekuthini sakhe imsebenzi ebekunene.
I've been pleased to note that the university is amongst their programs. They've been sensitive to other initiatives that are globally obtaining in artificial intelligence, in climate change, and also the study on traditional medicine and climate change has been part of those programs that have been introduced by the university. I do hope that these will also enable you to start up whatever business that you may start up in the kingdom. I would like to bring to your attention that there are startups that have been introduced in the kingdom. We've just been to Japan on the TICAD summit. They did introduce startups that are available for those that need to start up any type of business. Our international banks in the likes of the World Bank, African Development Bank, the European Bank have also afforded us start-up funds that will help Emaswati start up any good initiative that you might have. Our financial institutions are here today. They are hearing me very well that it is time to provide our young people start-up mechanisms for them to make meaningful contribution into our economy in the kingdom.
Loku fokotisa kakhulu kubona i-percentage lakithi nasikhuluma tekufundza ikhulile sibili lo njoba sekuyabonalisa ukuthi sesi ngetulu ku 90% kuna ma sustainable development goals la beke ukuthi 2030 onke amave emhlaba afuna abonalise ukuthi 100% nasikhuluma ku education kubonalise ukuthi sesifikile uyajabulisa ke ukuthi ke sekusele just 5 years kepha na ubuka le rate lakithi eSwatini lekhula ngayo inkomba iyabonalisa ukuthi stouts nasifika ku 2030 live leSwatini tabe limbambile 100% ku education bakube.
I am also quite pleased to see the increase on our literacy rate in the kingdom. Our literacy rate has gone beyond 90% in the kingdom. We have our Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, that have compelled all nations to have literacy at 100% by 2030. We are 5 years away from that deadline, and I'm quite pleased to know that the kingdom is well in line to meet that deadline, that eMaSwati will be 100% literate and by 2030 deadline.
Bekunene si nasilapha e-university sitonvusela sifike sibuke nempilo nemisebenzi nekutonika itatfu logcina ukuthi live leSwatini litawuqhubeka linibambise emsebenzini wonke emaphupho nemaplan lenawo lapha e-university kwati ukuthi kutokhonakalisa ukuthi ke kukhonakale ukuthi ngesikhathi sonke impilo ibe ngcono ibe ngileke kahle kakhulu ngalelinye langa kungaba khona ukuthi akuhambi nesigaba lesibhekekile kepha ke lokumqoka ukuthi live alinganilahli lisemva kwenu lime nani kulikhuni kunjani litawuma nani sitawuphumelela sikanye kanye futhi kulomsebenzi ukuthi ke sitonike itathu logcina kuleso sigaba njoba siyati nemisebenzi lapha miyendi lefanele yendiwe lefanele inakelele yona inhlala kahle yebafundzi nalabahlala khona lapha nalabafundisako ukuthi ke kuyakwendiwa konke kunibambisa bekunene ukwati ukuthi konke leni kuhlelembisako kukhanye ukuthi lokho leni kuhlelembisile kuyaqhamuka ngoba nawenta into kuba mnanzi ukubona ukuphumelela kanti nakungaphumeleli bese kuletha usizi ebekunene.
As we are here today, it presents us an opportunity to also hear of your welfare and to see how you could be supported in your many initiatives. Whilst we are here, we have heard of the various dreams and aspirations that the university has. I am here to assure you that the nation is way behind this institution to support it and to ensure that it never fails. It is for that reason that I do also note the outstanding initiatives that are yet to be concluded. I also assure you that that will also be supported because this institution cannot fail.
Bekunene kuyathokozisa kakhulu ngendzaba yekuthi besinaye lapha Mtsiphe ngalelinye ilanga wathula 10 million emalangeni siyathokoza ke namuhla kwethula leyo faculty leseyitawakhiwa kuleso sigaba njoba sesivile ukuthi first phase seyiphelile kulomsebenzi leminye imisebenzi lebonalisa ukuthi ilekelela kiko konke emaphupho e-university kakhulu sithi ke lo msebenzi lona wale facility lesiyakhiwe nayo namuhla sesayethula etandleni tenu ukuthi nayo sendayisebenzisa kahle niphathe kahle kwati ukuthi kusenalenye imali lesele kuna 5 million akakalahleki bekunene ukhona kuseta kwakhiwa yangakhulu bekunene.
Not long ago, we had Dr. Patrice Motsepe here at the university graduation ceremony, where he graciously donated 10 million emalangeni towards the university. The first phase has been constructed of a modern classroom that has been constructed here at the university, which facility I would like to present to you here today, that please take care of this facility and make the best use out of it. I also want to assure you here today that this is just the first phase. The second phase, which will be of the outstanding 5 million emalangeni, has not been eaten by rats, but the 5 million is indeed available. You will see the outrolling of the second phase in earnest.
Ufuna seku chaze kahle ukuthi ngoba 5 million usebhange wakha ne-interest ukuthi kuyawusina kwendeka kuyabe kungetulu kwa 5 million bekunene.
I must also note that this 5 million is sitting at the bank and getting interest as it is in the bank. So we would expect a contribution of more than 5 million when construction resumes.
Bekunene lomunye umsebenzi lesiwuthulako etandleni tenu ngewomsebenzi lo wakhiwe ecom bekunene njoba bakhe studio lesibonalisa ukuthi studio lesivele si advanced mbela lesifaka ekhathi radio studio TV studio sendaba nayo la e-university lokusho ukuthi ema celebrity ema artist konke la sekutawuphuma nje ukukhicitwe kubonalise ukuthi siphuma emhlabeni vele sesikhicite i-production la e-university la kithi. Ngiyakholwa nje ukuthi next time nangibuya ngiyafika ngibone ama-artist la vele sakhicitwe lapha kule ma-studio le ngiwathula kona mhla bekunene.
Alongside the modern classroom that has been constructed, I would like to deliver to you the content hub that has been constructed through the support of ECOM in the kingdom. We now have a state-of-the-art studio here at the university, which has housed a TV station and radio station. I hope and believe that in next time I visit here, I will see artists that have been produced by these content hub, because celebrities must be produced in this kingdom to go out into the global stage.
Bekunene nangukumhlaba ngiye ngikhanze ukuthi kule entertainment industry ngilapho khona wakha imali masinyane ngoba umuntu ufuna kwakha imali masinyane hayi kuthatha iminyaka ukuthi uyawuthatha iminyaka soloko ubekela kancane kancane kuze kufike nemdala abone ukuthi sowendani soloko ubekela kepha ke na ungene ku entertainment industry kuyavama nje ukuthi ungaphuma na 100 million noma na 1 billion emalangeni at once. Lokusho ukuthi ke nasi concentrate kahle kule msebenzi lena njoba lapha sitawufuna ama-billionaires la tawufanele aphume la as a result of le misebenzi lena bekunene. Ngiyakholwa ukuthi ke ndawenda nama research lafanele esigabeni sekutheni nasenende ama sales kuloko lento abeniproduce ngaba i-film industry ngaba music industry kubonalise ukuthi nje i-first sale lesikutawukhuluma ngayo ngeke kube ngaphansi kwa 100 million emalangeni bekunene.
I have found that globally there is one industry that is able to bring quick returns on your investment, and that industry is the entertainment industry. When you are a member or a person who is in the entertainment industry, it is highly possible to make it large at your first instance. You may be finding yourself with 100 million emalangeni in your pocket on just your first production. It is for that reason that I do encourage eMaSwati to take serious the entertainment industry so that we may create billionaires in our kingdom just from the entertainment industry. It is for that reason that I encourage eMaSwati take this initiative seriously and raise serious billionaires from the entertainment industry.
Bekunene malamagama lemisebenzi lembili lo ale faculty le yakhiwe kanye nale studio noma le titudo letakhiwe se tivele tibusisiwe ngokomthetho sesitithule etandleni tenu ukuthi nitisebenzise nitiphathe kahle kwendele ukuthi netitukulwane letiyawuvela tifike tithole mathuba tekuthi nanato tiqeqeshwe ngayo lemsebenzi ebekunene.
It now remains for me to present to you these two facilities. The faculty that has been constructed in the modern classroom and the content hub that houses all these great studios. I present them to you, treat them well, so that future generations may also benefit from these two facilities.
Bekunene sesingathatha nelithuba nekubonga sinibonge kakhulu wonke imisebenzi njoba nekwenda umsebenzi lonjena emalungiselelo kuyabida sithumisa kakhulu umsebenzi lomuhle kanjalo netethulo endethulile nato siyabonga kakhulu kwanzela nithethe khona bekunene.
I am aware that putting together this great event is quite taxing indeed. I therefore would like to thank all those that have made a contribution in making sure that this event is the great success that it is here today. I'd like to thank you for also the entertainment and all the program presented to us here today, and also for the gifts that have been presented to us. I pray the blessing of Almighty upon those gifts given to us today.
Bekunene ngalesi sigaba sesithatha nelithuba njalo njoba sitekubafundzi lababonalisawo ukuthi namuhla langa labo lekuthola ticu etigabeni letahlukahlukene ukuthi nase ngiphetha inkulumo ngiphethe ngekubahalalisela kakhulu basetawuphuma bahamba bayeveni bayawusebenta ukuthi sibafisela kuhamba bahambe kahle kakhulu konke labawenda kube kuhle embili lapho baya khona ebekunene.
As I conclude my statement here today, I would like to once again say my congratulatory remarks to the graduates that have completed their studies here at this great university. I want to wish you all well in all your future endeavors. May you prosper in whatsoever you desire, and may it be great in your life.
Siyabonga uNkulunkulu uyawusibusisa sonke bekunene.
I thank you. May Almighty God bless us all. Bayethe wena waphakathi wena ungangezindaba uyimbubu yesabe kudle